Understanding bracing for the end, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the intriguing phrase, bracing for the end. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such expressions can significantly enhance your English comprehension and fluency. So, let's get started and explore this phrase together. Bracing for the end is a phrase composed of two key components, bracing and the end. Let's dissect these terms to grasp the full meaning of the expression. Bracing. The word bracing originates from the verb brace, which means to prepare or strengthen oneself for something difficult or unpleasant that is about to happen. It involves a mental or physical readiness to face a challenging situation. The end. The end refers to the conclusion or final part of something. It could be the end of an event, a period, a project, or any situation that is coming to a close. Putting these together, bracing for the end implies preparing oneself for the conclusion of something, typically a situation anticipated to be challenging, difficult, or significant in some way. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from the literal to the metaphorical. Here are a few examples to illustrate its versatility. 1. Personal challenges. After the doctor's prognosis, the family was bracing for the end of their grandfather's long battle with illness. Here, it signifies preparing emotionally for a loved one's passing. 2. Professional scenarios. The employees were bracing for the end of the company as the bankruptcy rumors began to spread. In this case, it refers to preparing for the possible closure of a workplace. 3. End of an era. Fans around the world were bracing for the end of their favorite TV series' final season. This shows anticipation and emotional preparation for the conclusion of something significant in popular culture. While bracing for the end is a useful phrase, it's important to use it sensitively. The expression often carries a connotation of inevitability and sometimes a sense of dread or sadness about the impending conclusion. When using this phrase, especially in personal or sensitive contexts, be mindful of the emotional weight it may carry. Bracing for the end is a powerful expression that conveys preparation and fortitude in the face of endings and conclusions. Understanding and using such phrases can add depth and nuance to your English communication. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and will help you feel more confident in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here to support each other in our quest to master English. See you in the next video.